Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the Meta Ads Insight. And yeah, this ads or Meta Ads Insight and Creative Analyzer using Python and Streamlit. Okay, well, this one is designed to help marketers and analysts evaluate ad performance, creative quality, and audience engagement. Okay, in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the features and the code behind the app, right? This Streamlit app allows you to upload. As you can see, you can upload your CSV file or use a sample data set. I already have a sample data set here with that we can download. Okay, and then compute the key advertising metrics. See, see here. It will going to compute the key advertising metrics like the impressions, right? Click-through rate, cost per click, return on ad spend, right? And rank headlines and ad copy based on performance. And yeah, tag ads according to the funnel stage and awareness. Also, to call this the consideration or decision using rule-based system, detect creatives and types such as image, video, or text, duplicate, the duplicate creatives using perpetual hashing, which groups similar image together. Okay, optionally, it fetch competitor ads using the meta ad library API. Okay, you can download the sample, see the expected data format. Okay, we can download it. You can remove this, right? And then we can download the file. As you can see, I already have one. So if I'm going to download, there's another one that I'm going to overlap that. So we're not going to download, or we can download it. We're just going to recop over. The replace the old one. Yep, we're going to replace that. Okay, and then browse the file. Okay, and you see here it has the filtered table. The data once again, or the analytics. Okay. Then yeah, the app uses several Python libraries. Let me see. Let me show that to you right now here. Okay. And actually, I have two programs in here, but the other one doesn't have a download sample PDF. Okay, and or Excel sheet. I'm sorry. And I have other approved programs here, but I have tons of programs. Okay, but here the libraries that I use to create this file is Bytes.io, Streamlit, okay, Pandas, NumPy, Requests, Pill, Smash Hash or Image Hash, sorry, sklearn dot cluster, and then Plotly dot express. Okay, this one once I install the app, it can be run using command. Right, the command is Streamlit run Streamlit underscore meta underscore ads underscore insight underscore app dot py. But since you want to, if you want to launch that online, I already use a tunnel or a local tunnel so that it will run on the app, or it will going to run online using all the browser that you have. Okay. And yeah, the data processing metrics, the heart of the app itself is in processing uploaded ad data. The compute metrics function calculates key performance. Yep, the key performance, and then yeah, the calculate metrics function. The CTR, right? CTR, the ratio of click to impression. Okay, and then the CPC or the cost per click. So you can see here, and then the ROAS or return on ad spend. Okay, you will see it all in here. Okay, right down here, okay? And then all numeric column are safely converted to numbers with missing values, filled as zero, of course. This ensure accurate metric calculation even if some data is missing. Okay. Now, yeah, to help understand where an ad sit in the marketing tunnel or funnel, we use a rule-based tagging system. Okay. The tagging system that I mean, the keywords like learn or discover. Let me show that to you here. Okay. Okay. Here's the default keywords. Okay. And then the images, I mean the that's the mark of an ad as awareness, okay? While terms like buy or order indicate decision page stage, okay? Users can even add custom keywords to tailor the funnel classification. Okay? Now the app detects the type of ad creatives, and then it will going to I mean it's detected using common like file extension, or I mean extensions like JPEG or PNG. Video includes formats like MP4, links to YouTube or any streaming app, okay? Or well, yeah, streaming app, you can also use that. If no media URL exists, text-only ads are classified as text. Okay, this help categorize content, analyze the value, or analyze the performance by creative type. Okay, as you can see here, right? You can also filter by date, end date, or start date, end date, minimum impression, sort by metrics, tagging classification, enable the rule-based stage tagging, and you can also put your custom keyword down here. Okay, you can also right. You can also expand the box. Now, one of the more advanced feature is the duplication. Okay, using perpetual hashing, the app generates a hash for each image and clusters similar creative together. This allows marketers to duplicate or I mean identify the identify duplicate or near duplicate creatives and focus on truly unique content. User can adjust the hamming distance, right? And let me see, where is that? It's right down here. Okay, you can adjust the threshold for clustering. Okay, and then yep, and then it will going to um, what you call this? You can see all the data. If there's empty count. Okay, if you're going to make it 12, it will going to yeah, go back usually. All right, and then you can also you can also disable that if you want to. Okay, and then this allows marketers to identify the duplicate and the near duplicate creatives and focus on truly unique content. Users, users can adjust the hamming advanced, like I told you, threshold to control clustering sensitivity. Okay, and then the Streamlit interface includes, the sidebar. Here's the sidebar here on the left. You can disable that if you want to, right? And then goes back again. Then the filters includes date range, like I told you. I already showed that to you. The minimum impression and sorting by metrics. Okay. And the main page display the key overview metrics like total impression, clicks, spend, average CTR. Interactive tables shows top headlines and ad copy sorted by performance. Now funnel stage distribution is visualized, as you can see here. right? You can see the bar graph here, and then is visualized using bar charts and creative gallery display clustered images. Okay, as you can see here, you can I can do that using my mouse, right? Now the what you call this there's also an download and export button. The app allows users to download the sample and the filtered analyzed dataset, enabling further offline analysis or reporting. Now, in summary, this Streamlit app provides a comprehensive way to analyze meta ad performance, evaluate creative content, and make data-driven marketing decision, whether you're reviewing your own campaign or analyzing competitor ads. It's a powerful tool for marketers and analysts alike. Now, if you want, I can also condense this into, if you want, if you can just make this a better app, right? We can, we can customize it based on your liking or your, if you want some sort of a copyright only for you, right? So we can add, add any custom logos here if you want, or you want additional feature that you want to add here. But this is the app that I created. So if you are interested with this app, you can definitely send me an email, okay, or reply or post a comment down below, okay? And then yeah, let's talk. Let's talk on. Let's chat in the email, and then or send me an email or post a comment down below. Okay. Subscribe to my channel if you like the video, and if you like this kind of video in the future, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you very much.